This is our BMW M235i with enhanced body kit on the outside we've added. It has the front splitter, the gloss black kidney grills, the gloss black wing mirrors, side skirts, and the rear spoiler. As you can see, it really does set this car off. Really understated, the M235i. Absolutely fantastic performance car in such a small package. It really is brilliant. As you can see, have the Pro Nav heated seats, Dakota leather, among other options the car does have. Sat nav. There we go. Really is a lovely car. We do to offer finance, take part exchanges. Call us on 01244 570 814 or visit our website on www.carterandhaines.co.uk. Thanks for watching.